Alright, this will be the question that involving the use of the knowledge of shortest distance formula in finding the equation of the circle. Alright, find the equation of the circle with center. Alright, this question is already given the center, right? They already given the center. This is a very easy question because they already given you the center. So usually they will not give you the center, which you need various way to finding the center. So but now you have the center, and the question is saying that find the circle with center which touch the line, right? Touch the line. So touch the line. So means touch the line means they have point of contact, right? The problem here will be you have center but you don't have the radius, right? Because we have very limited information here. We have just center and a line, right? And a line. So we have a center and a line. So, but we want to find the equation of circle. As we know that if we want to find the standard equation of this circle, so it will be easier for these cases to using the standard equation of the circle, because we have already know the center, right? We have already know the center. But the problem is we're not sure what is the radius, right? What sure is the radius. But as in the previous video, I have teach you the formula for shortest distance, right? Shortest distance. So means that if I can find from the center, right, the radius, this is a tangent. So if I join from this center to this point of contact, definitely you will getting the radius of the circle. And the radius of the circle is actually the shorter distance from this center to this line. It's also a shortest distance. So means that because this is 90 degree and this is a tangent, right? So how to finding the radius? So we're going to using the formula. The radius is actually the shortest distance. So the formula will be modulus square root. This will be the formula. So where this is already arranged in general form, right? AH plus BK plus C equals to 0. And the formula for shorter distance will be D equals to modulus AH plus BK plus C over with square root of A square plus B square, right? So then your A, this is your A and this is your B. So of course here we have 4 square plus with B square. And what is the value here, right? It will be H and K, which will be the center of the circle here. Alright, -1 and 2. Alright, -1 and 2. So I'm going to put -1 here and 2. Right? Make sure that this is X, right? X. So we're putting the X value. The Y, we're putting the Y value for the coordinate. For this coordinate that we want to find the shorter distance from this coordinate to the line. Alright, okay, let's evaluate the radius, right? We need to know the radius of this circle, which will give you modulus, and this inside here you are getting -20, right? That's why we need a modulus to make it positive. So, and square root of this 3, 4, okay, 16 plus 9, 25, square root of 25, which will give you modulus -20 is 20, divided by square root of 25 is 5, which give you 4 units. This shows that the radius, the shortest distance here, the radius will be 4 units, right? With this formula, is a lot easier, right? So now you can find the equation of the circle. So equation will be X, so H -1 will become +1 square, plus with +2 will become, or Y minus K, Y minus 2 square is equals to radius square, right? You have to know the radius is 4. So 4 square will give you 16. So then we have already get the equation of the circle. With this limited of information, just given the center and the tangent line, so we can actually finding the radius of the circle by using the shortest distance formula. Alright, that's all for this video. Hope you understand about how to apply the shortest distance formula in finding the equation of the circle for this case.